Number 1. 1984 Nissan 720 King Cab 4x4, $1,750, East Wenatchee, Washington. This 1984 Nissan 720 King Cab is a durable compact pickup known for its simple and reliable mechanical design. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive, making it suitable for light utility or off-road use. The NAP Z24 engine paired with a Weber carburetor is a popular upgrade for improved reliability and tuning ease. With 164,000 miles, it runs and moves but is best viewed as a project truck or parts donor. A clean title adds value at this affordable price. Number 2. 1985 Toyota pickup, $1,300, Kingmen, Arizona. This 1985 Toyota pickup is a respected compact truck known for long-term reliability and strong resale value. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, it shows approximately 100,000 miles with an odometer rollover noted. The truck requires finishing work to the intake system, though all necessary parts are included. With a clean title and solid overall condition, it is a strong restoration candidate or budget classic daily driver. Number 3. 1987 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe 3/4 ton, $4,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1987 Chevrolet 3/4 ton pickup is a heavy-duty work truck featuring a V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, and a 4-speed manual transmission. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including brakes, clutch, fuel pumps, cooling components, and tires. An electrical issue currently prevents it from starting, though it previously ran and drove well. With a clean title and many new parts, it offers strong value for a hands-on buyer. Number 4. 1989 Jeep Comanche, $4,900, Tustin, California. This 1989 Jeep Comanche is a collectible compact pickup sharing its platform with the Cherokee. It features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 190,000 miles, it runs and drives but needs cosmetic attention. The included camper shell adds practicality. With a clean title and rising market interest, this Comanche is an appealing entry-level classic. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet S10 Short Bed, $3,365, Roseville, California. This second-owner 1984 Chevrolet S10 Short Bed is a rare survivor with original paint and no rust. Powered by a V6 engine and automatic transmission, it runs but needs a full tune-up, carburetor service, and a new battery before regular use. The interior shows minimal wear and the body remains exceptionally straight. With documented ownership and a clean title, it is an excellent candidate for preservation or light restoration. Number 6. 1974 International Harvester Pickup, $5,000, Amity, Oregon. This 1974 International Harvester 3/4 ton pickup reflects the brand's reputation for heavy-duty construction. Equipped with a 392 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive, it runs and drives in fair condition. These trucks are increasingly rare and valued for their strength and uniqueness. A clean title and operational drivetrain make it a solid classic utility truck. Number 7. 1976 Ford F100 Custom, $2,900, Snohomish, Washington. This 1976 Ford F100 Custom is powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 166,000 miles, it starts, runs, and drives well, supported by recent steering, brake, and clutch work. Known for simplicity and reliability, it can be enjoyed as is or restored further. A clean title and reasonable price enhance its appeal. Number 8. 1985 Ford Ranger, $750, Billings, Montana. This 1985 Ford Ranger is an early compact pickup equipped with a manual transmission and clean title. The odometer has rolled over, and limited details suggest it is best suited as a project or parts truck. At this price point, it offers an inexpensive entry into classic truck ownership. Number 9. 1979 GMC K-15 four-wheel drive, $2,250, Irrigon, Oregon. This 1979 GMC K-15, closely related to the Chevrolet K-10, features a modified V8 engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. It includes a suspension lift, upgraded wheels, and solid running gear. While it currently needs a battery and starter, the frame and drivetrain are rust-free. With a clean title, it provides a strong foundation for restoration or recreational use. Number 10. 1967 Ford F100, $4,500, Clear Lake Park, California. This 1967 Ford F100 long bed is a California truck retaining its original black license plates. Powered by the original 352 cubic inch FE V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives well following extensive recent mechanical service. Rust is minimal and limited to small floor areas. With a clean California title and strong originality, it offers excellent value for collectors and drivers. Number 11. 1969 Ford F600 cab over-engine grain dump, $4,100, Oregon. This 1969 Ford F600 cab over-engine grain dump truck is a functional working classic powered by a strong-running V8 and manual transmission. Despite odometer issues, it runs smoothly with no smoke or abnormal noise. Previously used as a farm truck, it remains operational and dependable. A clean title and working dump bed make it suitable for agricultural use or display. Number 12. 1940 GMC truck with V8 conversion, $29,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1940 GMC truck is a professionally modified classic built for modern drivability. It features a 1970s Chevrolet 350 V8, automatic transmission, and a later model chassis. Power steering, power brakes, 12-volt wiring, and highway-capable performance blend vintage styling with modern comfort. In excellent condition with a clean title, it represents a premium collector-quality build. Number 13. 1946 Ford pickup, $15,500, Astoria, Oregon. This 1946 Ford pickup showcases classic post-war styling with tasteful mechanical upgrades. Powered by a Mercury flathead V8 and a 3-speed manual transmission, it has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system. The interior is clean and period correct, and the truck presents well overall. With a clean title and good condition, it is an attractive and affordable vintage Ford.